Welcome to another video. All right, so we are given this past question. This is WASI 2006, and it goes like this: a circle touches the lines s equal to 0 and x equal to 4. We have y equal to 0 and y equals to 4. Okay. All right, so let's see how we can sketch this. Okay, we have to find the equation of the circle, and we have to also find equation of the line passing through the point and the center of the circle. Now it means locating the center of the circle is very important. Okay, so let's sketch the first statement. So we have line x equal to 0, y equal to 0, then s equal to 4, then y is equal to 4. So let's assume this side is 0. Okay, so we have x, then we have y. So 0 to 4, let me here, and 0 to 4 on both axes. Okay, so let's draw the circle. Okay, it's not drawn to scale, so let me measure this side and let me do this. Okay, so it means from this side to this side is 4. Okay, so this side too is that. All right, now the measurements are equal. Okay, so with this we can say that the middle here is 2. Okay, the middle here is 2, the middle here is 2. Now if this is the center, from the center to the circumference here is 2. Okay, and from the center here to the circumference here is also 2. So we can say the center is 2, 2. Now my radius too will be 2. Okay, so knowing the center and the radius, equation of a circle can be formed. Okay, so knowing the center, so we have x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals to r squared. So when given the center and the radius, this is the formula for finding equation of a circle. Okay, so here my center is 2, 2. My radius is 2. So we can do the substitution. So we have x minus 2 squared or squared plus y minus 2 equals to 2 squared. So we have this center here as AB. So A is 2, B is 2. So that's nicely done here. So let's expand. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus, then we expand this, y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals to 4. Okay, so we can arrange this one as x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y. So 4 plus 4, 8. So this one will cancel this. So we have plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so the equation of the circle here. So the equation of the circle here is that, okay, x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 4. Okay, Now let's go ahead and solve the second question, which says equation of the line passing through. So we have to find equation of a line passing through the point 0,4 in the center of the circle. So equation of a line is given as y minus y1 equals to this gradient times x minus x1. Okay, so the question says the line is passing through the point 0,4 and the newly generated center here. Okay, so let's find slope from here. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So my slope changing y on changing x, y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 on x2 minus x1. So we have 2 minus 4 on 2 minus 0. So we have minus 2 on 2, which is minus 1. So knowing the slope, we can go ahead and find the equation of the circle. And let me remind you, please, equation of the line passing through this point. So this is the point. Don't use your center, okay, as your x1, y1 when you are doing the substitution way, okay? So y minus y1. So here my y1 is 4. Don't say 2. Then we have the slope as like 1. X minus x1, 0. We have y minus 4 equals to minus x. We have y plus x minus 4 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the line passing through the point 0,4 and the center 2, 2. All right. Okay, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.